In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome your default search engine. So first, you want to open Google, and then once you're there, you want to click on the three dots on the upper right corner of the screen. Once you open this menu, go all the way down where it says Settings. Then you want to go to the menu that says Search Engine. That appears right here. Just click there and you can change your default search engine. I'm going to click on Change, and as you can see, you can select from all of these search engines. I'm going to stick with Google, and then you have to click on Set as Default. You can also make Google your default browser by clicking on Default Browser in the menu on the left part of the screen, right here. It says that Google Chrome is your default browser, and that's it. Once you open a new tab, it will open Google, and that's it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and I will see you on the next one.